All right, well, today is January 21st, 2018, and right now at 9:40 p.m. we have a temperature of 42 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 53%, dew point's 26 degrees, and the barometer is up at 30.15 inches. And right now we're looking at the northeast Pacific water vapor loop. Friday we had 8/100ths of an inch of rain as this system right here moved through the Southern California area. And notice what's happened. This system has really developed into something very powerful. If you look at the Doppler map, we can see that system is right over Nebraska, mainly, and a lot of snow is falling. This is the same system that dumped a whopping 8/100ths of an inch of rain right over here. And so the transmitters were very effective, as they still are. We can see right now, looking at the jet stream map, we have flow right into Southern California. Getting back to the Doppler, we see that there's this zero rain from Central California on down. And once again, we had very heavy chemtrail spraying today and the day before. And the day before that, we did get a little bit of rain, 8/100ths of an inch. And then we had some clear weather, some clean air for about 24 hours. And as we see here, we've got a tropical flow right into California. Also, there's a disturbance down here, which is not marked on any of the maps, but we can see that it has the attention of the weather controllers. Let's take a look at that right now here in the eastern Pacific. Right here, there was some rotation developing, and that was squashed out by a transmitter. We can see the big hole left right here, and we can see the blast pattern from that superheating process. So this area was targeted with either microwave or laser, and that stopped the low pressure counterclockwise development. And we can see that blast pattern right here. We've got high pressure installed right up in this area. That will maintain the separation between this tropical moisture field right here and all this moisture moving right towards California. See, now this flow here is moving right into this giant storm system, which is developing and intensifying. We can see there's a transmitter right here, forcing descending air right near the center of that low. And of course, that's going to amplify the stormy conditions. That's what's happening. This dark area right here, we can see that there's actually a square imprint right here in this map, as we can get a better view. Look at this square imprint right here. So that amplifies and causes tornadic behavior, tornadoes, and a lot of wild weather. And notice the flow pattern into California, yielding zero rain. This is the jet stream right here, partial jet stream flow right there, and zero rain on the Doppler map. So we have a Pineapple Express flow right here into California, and the only rain that we're seeing is up here near the northern part of California, right up here just north of San Francisco. Let's drag the map over and see that. Getting some heavy rain right about Elk Creek, California, it says. Okay, so we've got some heavy rain up there, but nothing down in Southern California or Central California. And of course, that's because of all the heavy chemtrail spraying. Once again, so this is just going to be just a short report. There's not a whole lot to that's different, except for this disturbance down here being attended to. This has the attention of a transmitter. And notice that nothing is blocking. In other words, there's no transmitter activity in the middle of this flow to block this flow pattern from feeding that storm. They can cut this off if they want to, just like what's happening right here. Take a look what's happening right here. We got a transmitter evaporating all this moisture as it moves into California right there. You can see the dark area starting to open up, but nothing's being done over here on this flow pattern. And so this is going to run, this is a big storm, and that's going to dump a lot of snow, and is dumping a lot of snow up in the center of the country. Here's the southwest IR map, and we have 10,000 foot mountains right down here, 8 to 10,000 foot mountains all through this area. Mount Baldy, we got Big Bear, anywhere from 5 to 10,000 foot mountains all along in the Southern California area, and there's no lift occurring, and that's all because of the chemtrail spraying. Here's the surface analysis map. You see 3 lows indicated, actually a couple of lows here. Got a cold front, and we have high pressure all through here. And that's why the barometer is up at 30.15. Swell report, we see some 20 and 21 foot swells right here off of Northern California. And down here near Central California, we've got 12 and 18 foot swells. So there's some pretty large surf being captured near Half Moon Bay. Pretty interesting stuff. Okay, so that's it for today, and we'll just leave it right here. We've got a jet stream flow into California once again, heavy chemtrail spraying, and no rain. So there it is. We'll do another one later.